I'm Justin.
And I'm Helen.
And once again, we're hiking and camping up in Wyoming. Join us. In today's episode, we hike to an incredible viewpoint, take a refreshing swim, and of course, there's another round of What Are We Eating? Let's get started with a hike. There's a lot of blowdowns on this trail. Look at all the trail work they've had to do just to keep this trail clear. Absolutely. And this is not just one isolated spot. Many places here. There's just an incredible amount of blowdowns.
This is the perfect spot for a break on our way to Photographer's Point. It's got shade and a seat. It's just perfect.
Here's another round of What Are We Cooking on the Fire? Helen?
Tonight is an experiment. I've never done this before, but when I was at the farmer's market, they had tomato, mozzarella, basil pierogies. And I thought, hey, why not? May as well know if they work. So here you are to find out alongside with us. Well, looks promising. Should we give it a try? Looks pretty good. I think it might be a success. You want to do the honors?
All right, let's dig in, huh? I enjoy a good pierogi now and again. It's hot. It's a little crunchy. It kind of tastes like a pizza. Thumbs up. If you made it this far and enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. See you next time.